What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing today? I am Scott Jelinek, and I wanted to do a short video for you today on what you should do with your stimulus check when you get it. And by stimulus check, I know they called it a stimulus check back in '08. Some people are calling it that now, but it wasn't exactly what it was for. It wasn't so much to stimulate the economy like it was back then. This is more for you to get by and to survive. So first off, who's getting a stimulus check? I'm not getting one. I'm not sure if you're getting one. If you're not getting one, you don't need to watch this video. This is for the people that are getting one. And I think you had to make, and I don't even remember, it was like less than 80 grand or less than 100 grand. And then it was $1,200. And then if you had a kid, it was another $500 per kid or something along those lines. And that money is already coming out. I think starting this Saturday, people were getting it direct in their bank account if the IRS had your bank account information already on file. If not, they're still working on it. So the question at hand is, what should you do with that money once you get it? And this is an interesting question. And I only say this because I get a lot of emails, I get a lot of comments, and people saying, "Oh, should I do this or should I do that? Or what do you think about if I wanted to invest in this or that?" And let me tell you, the short answer is you need to pay your rent. You need to pay your mortgage. If you have a light bill, you need to pay your light bill. You need to pay your water. You need to pay whatever it is you need to pay. If you don't need the money, then that's fine. Then just put it in your bank account and do whatever you want with it. But for those of you who need the money, this is not the time to think, "Oh, I have extra money and I can go do something fun with it." Not that you can leave your house anyway, but if you could, that money is strictly for you to pay your bills. That's what it's for. So let me clarify a couple of things that there's a lot of misunderstandings with. In certain states, they're saying, "Oh, there's a for our eviction moratorium, and there's not going to be any foreclosures. There's not going to be any evictions. The power company's not shutting off anyone's power." All that stuff is true, but it doesn't forgive what you owe. Meaning, when it ends, and it's going to end, you're going to owe everything. You're going to owe April, May, June, and if you just said, "Oh, I don't have to pay," I saw in the newspaper everybody's rent's forgiven. No. They're saying you can't be evicted. You still owe that money come June, come July, or whenever the courts are back open. The power company might not be shutting people off right now. That doesn't mean your power is free. You still owe that money. And what's going to happen is, once it comes turned on, instead of the $300 a month it normally was, or $100 or whatever it may be, they're going to say, "Oh, you owe $900 in order to stop this from getting turned off." So trust me when I'm telling you this. If you have the money, if you have the ability, pay your bills you're supposed to pay. Don't fall into that hype that everybody's saying it's not due. You don't have to pay it. I see this thing going around too, where certain areas that have what's called a rent strike. They're trying to get good people to not pay. You know who's trying to get them to? The bad people. The bad people are like, "Well, I can't pay, or I don't want to pay, so let me try and get everybody involved." And if they can get everybody involved, they think they're righteous in their stance. Trust me, don't join into any of that crap. If you can make the payment, make the payment. This is going to be over. And when it's over, all those people who had perfect credit, were perfect payers, liked the place they lived, they're all going to regret these decisions that they're deciding, trying to take advantage of a situation and see if they can get away with it even longer. Yes, you can get away with it, but once it ends, the piper's going to come calling and everything is going to be due. So I just wanted to answer that for you, because I know a lot of people are like, "What do you think I should do with this?" And my answer is always the same: pay your bills. Pay your bills. If you got that check coming in, use it to pay your bills. Hope this video helps you guys. Have a fantastic day. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like watching these videos. I obviously have a lot of time on my hands since I've been home, so I'm trying to make as many videos for you as I can. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I will personally answer them. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.